So guys, this is a brand new course on MatplotLib, and basically MatplotLib is a Python module which is used for data visualization. If you want to go into the data science field or machine learning field, it's necessary to learn MatplotLib so that when you are working with a large amount of data, in that case it is really helpful to showcase the data in a beautiful graph, like picture or like any kind of plots. Okay, so because we have some values on the x-axis, some values on the y-axis, and in case if you are plotting any three-dimensional plot, then in that case we have the z-axis also, so you can set some data for z-axis as well, right? So in this course we will learn about basic line plot, then some formattings, then also we will see how to change the styles, and then we will see for bar plots, then all kind of plots, basically scatter, histograms and all. Then we will lastly see that how to plot a three-dimensional graph. Okay, so join in this course. Let's learn matplotlib together. Okay.